When you search for electric tongue jacks, everything looks the same black finish, same 5,000-pound rating, same LED light. But once you start using them, the real differences show up fast. Some fail under pressure, others save you time and stress. Today, we break down the 5 best options that actually deliver. Product number 1, POLESTAR 5000 LB Waterproof Jack. First up is the POLESTAR electric trailer jack with a 5,000-pound capacity waterproof cover and built-in LED light. Priced at $202.91, it sits right in the mid to high range and has over 400 recent sales, which caught my attention. If you want reliable lifting with solid weather protection, this is worth a serious look. The 9 to 27-inch lift range gives you decent flexibility, and the waterproof cover helps protect the motor from rain and road grime, something you'll appreciate if you're camping in wet conditions. The LED light is a small but smart touch, making nighttime hookups way easier. Here's why this matters for you specifically. When you're at a dark campsite trying to level your trailer, that light isn't just convenient, it's essential. The motor is strong enough to handle heavy loads without straining, and the build feels sturdy. Now, some people complained about the lack of a remote control, which is fair. This model doesn't include one. Here's the thing though, not everyone needs remote operation, and if you're okay with pressing a button on the unit itself, this jack still performs reliably. It's a solid, no-frills option that does its job well. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable, weather-resistant jack with good lift range and don't mind manual controls. Skip this one if remote operation is a must-have for you. For the price, it offers strong value and peace of mind. Product number 2, BETRO 4000 LB Budget Jack. Now, if the POLESTAR's higher price made you pause, the BETRO electric trailer jack at $118.58 might be more your speed. It handles up to 4,000 pounds with a 22-inch lift, and while it's lighter duty, it's still built for A-frame trailers and fifth wheels. With 50-plus recent sales, it's clearly popular among budget-conscious buyers. The 12V DC motor gets the job done for smaller to mid-sized trailers, and the black powder-coated finish helps resist rust. It's simple to install and use, just plug in and press the button. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're towing a lighter camper or utility trailer, you don't always need 5,000 pounds of power. This jack gives you enough strength for most weekend trips without the extra cost. Now, some people complained about it struggling with heavier loads or overheating after repeated use. Here's the thing though, this jack isn't built for massive fifth wheels or frequent heavy lifting. If you're using it occasionally on a smaller trailer, it works just fine. But if you're pushing it to the limit every weekend, it might not last as long. This is perfect for you if you have a lighter trailer and want an affordable electric upgrade from manual cranking. Skip this one if you're regularly hauling heavy loads or need maximum durability. For the price, it's a great entry-level option. Product number 3, Corey 5000 LB Heavy Duty Jack. Alright, that was a solid budget pick. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious RVers, the Corey Electric Trailer Jack. At $188.97, it's priced competitively and comes from a brand known for RV accessories. If you want a jack that handles tough conditions and tall trailers, this one stands out. The alloy steel construction with anti-rust coating means it can handle rain, snow, and rough roads without corroding. The built-in circuit breaker is a smart safety feature. If the motor overheats, it shuts off automatically and resets after cooling. Here's why this matters for you specifically. When you're lifting a heavy trailer on uneven ground, you don't want your jack failing mid-lift. This one gives you that extra confidence. Now, some people mentioned the installation instructions could be clearer, especially for first-time users. Here's the thing though, once you get it mounted, it works smoothly, and Corey offers solid customer support if you run into issues. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, high-lift jack with safety features and don't mind spending a little time on setup. Skip this one if you need plug-and-play simplicity or remote control. For the build quality and performance, it's a strong value. Product number 4, SCA LIGHT 5000 LB Remote Controlled Jack. Now, if Corey's lack of remote control bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach: the SEALIGHT electric trailer jack with full remote operation. At $240.98, it's the most expensive on this list, but it includes a remote that works up to 30 meters away. If you want to level your trailer from a distance, especially in bad weather, this is the one. The remote lets you adjust the jack while walking around the trailer, so you can see the level from all angles without running back and forth. The LED lights and circuit breaker are included too, adding safety and visibility. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Imagine setting up camp in the rain or dark, and you can control the jack from your truck or doorway. That's a game changer for comfort and efficiency. Now, some people complained about the remote feeling a bit flimsy or losing signal in extreme cold. Here's the thing though, the core jack is solid and the remote is more of a luxury add-on. Even if it fails, you still have manual controls. This is perfect for you if you want maximum convenience and don't mind paying extra for remote operation. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't need remote features. It's pricey, but the functionality justifies the cost for frequent travelers. Product number 5, Corey Cordless Drill Jack. Finally, if you're tired of wires and batteries, the Corey Cordless Drill Jack flips the script. At just $82.43, it's the cheapest here, but it uses a 2024 V cordless drill to power the lift, no built-in motor. With a 5,000-pound capacity and 25-inch vertical travel, it's surprisingly strong for the price. The drill socket lets you lift quickly, and it includes a manual crank as backup. The 7-level adjustable base gives a height range from 11.4 to 37.2 inches, which is huge for uneven terrain. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're camping off-grid or in remote areas, you don't have to worry about dead batteries, just swap in a fresh drill battery. It's also lighter and easier to store. Now, some people complain that it requires you to already own a compatible drill, which not everyone does. Here's the thing though, if you're already in the DeWalt or Milwaukee ecosystem, this is a no-brainer. But if you don't have the drill, the total cost goes up. This is perfect for you if you want a fast, drill-powered jack and already own the tools. Skip this one if you prefer a self-contained electric unit. It's an innovative, budget-friendly option with real utility. So which electric tongue jack should you buy? The POLESTAR is great for weather protection, the BETRO saves you money, the Corey offers heavy-duty reliability, the SEALIGHT adds remote convenience, and the drill-powered Corey is a smart budget hack. Each has its strengths. Pick the one that matches your trailer, budget, and how you camp. Thanks for watching and happy towing.